Good morning. Okay, I'm going to use one student's account to show you all the process by which you complete the iLearn and MindTap integration so that they can talk to each other, or that you can use iLearn. Again, like I said yesterday, I have to do this in a way that is going to just get you in now without having to deal with tech support. So you're actually going to, when you go into your Cengage homepage, you're going to see a book that has nothing to do with your class. Go ahead and ignore that. This is just a tile on this page. Again, nothing, and there's actually, it looks like it came with two. Nothing that you need to use at all. Again, this is the backdoor way that we're going to get into iLearn for the class. What I did that for is so that when you say subscribe now, because we're going to essentially give you the subscription, this is again the easiest way, it says from $0. So what you need to do at this point, and I'm going to do it for Heidi so that you can see it, but you're going to say add to cart, and you need to follow these prompts here. So add to cart, and it shows my checkout. I have to go through the checkout process. So I'm going to say start secure checkout. Heidi, I'm going to put in fake billing address for you. So if you ever order something from us, you just have to go to your account and change it. And then I've done that, and I say complete checkout, complete purchase. I click payment right here instead, but it's not going to see I have no payment required. Then I say complete purchase, and I've gone through the steps of adding Cengage Unlimited to my account now. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add iLearn, and this is where you're going to get the iLearn book key. And again, this is because I have Cengage Unlimited already in the account. So I'm going to say View Dashboard. It's going to pull me back to my dashboard. Again, you can ignore all of them actually because we're not using this. Then I'm going to go, I'm going to say, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say Browse Catalog, or actually I don't even have to get that. I just need to go to the Search tab right here. And I'm going to say iLearn. Now I'm going to find iLearn right here for Plazas and say Add to Home. I've successfully added it. Now if I go to my home page and I say View iLearn, it's going to give me my book key. So Heidi, this is your book key here. Every time you just click on the iLearn, View iLearn, it has your book key right here. You can say Access, it'll pull you right into the iLearn registration screen. So you'll sign in right there. But essentially those are the steps now by which you will link your iLearn, or link your essentially this what you've paid for to now iLearn. I've already put in the codes for those things, so you're going to have to just walk through the prompts as I did in this video. If you have any questions at all, let me know, but you will have your access to iLearn from this point forward, just by walking through those steps. Let me know, though, how I can help.